Yo, what is good? What a long time coming with these live trading sessions, these educational sessions. Today I'm gonna go into the live markets, NASDAQ. The session opens at 9:30. It is currently 9:15, right? And there's gonna be a news event at 10 a.m. So I'll probably trade after that. And I'm gonna take a trade if I find a trade, and if the session is nice, and then I'm gonna literally show you me taking the trade, and then the results, whether I win or lose. Okay, stay tuned. Let's go. I just shorted the markets on NASDAQ because we got this very nice, not the cleanest, I'll be honest, not the cleanest break of structure right here, but we got the 5-minute BOS and essentially the market structure shift because we also took the daily time frame liquidity. And essentially I'm just gonna ride this wave to the downside. I'm gonna target this low right here. I'm gonna speed this up. Oh guys, I realized I actually got filled right here. Yo, let's go, chat. Let's go. Okay, TB got hit. Clean trade, clean short. Okay, let me pull up the PNL. Okay, there we go. As you can see, 1.6K, right? And obviously the net was like 1.5, I'd say. But let's see, man. I actually got exited from here in my broker, okay? For some reason, okay, I don't know why was there the latency, but regardless, man, let's continue. So obviously I'm not just going to like flex and this and that. These videos are not to flex ever, okay? These videos are to educate you. And as you can see, this is a super clean chain. Liquidity got taken, an immediate push up, right? Super clean, okay? Straightforward, no complexity, whatever, man. What am I even trying to say, man? But as you can see, essentially the whole point of this trade was a liquidity grab plus a sweep. As you can see, not this liquidity, my bad. This liquidity got taken. This is a super crazy high, especially in the 4-hour time frame. Check this out. These are crazy highs in the 4-hour time frame. Now, even 1-hour time frame looks even better. Look at this. So obviously this has a lot of orders, aka resting orders, that needs to be taken and filled, and then after that the markets can reverse the price, at least momentarily. As you can see, momentarily, and that momentarily move down is enough for us to make a lot of money, right? As you can see, bam. Okay, and I risked a little bit more than usual on this because this was like a super solid trade. Check this out. Hold on. I can go to the 5-minute time frame. We got the liquidity sweep. And obviously, I kind of waited till 10 a.m. because we had news. Okay, we had orange folder news, right, which affected the markets. We can literally see at 10 a.m. the markets got moved to the downside. And then essentially, if I go to the 5-minute time frame, we can see that price swept, took the liquidity, yes, broken above, but it doesn't matter because in the higher time frame, it still hasn't broken yet. If you go to the daily time frame, it's still a sweep, right? And then in the 5-minute time frame, broke structure to the downside, and that doesn't concern me. Like I want to just short immediately. I just want to see how the price moves after that, and then we kind of move up to the 5-minute time frame order block, and then we kind of consolidate a little bit, and then we actually closed below this low right here, and I actually enter right here, but my broker entered me right here. So it's better, right? Obviously. And then we target this low. The reason why I didn't target crazy sniper entries is because this was kind of choppy, right, in the beginning. But as soon as we got that 5-minute break and the news hit, price started to gain some volume, gain some momentum, right? The solid. And that's how we ended up with a 6K, 1.5K day. Okay, solid. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, just let me know. Because I do trade almost every single day. Not every single day. I don't trade, I don't take a trade every single day, right? But I'm in the markets, checking the markets. But usually they're, like, especially now in the summer. I mean, summer's about to end. But the price action hasn't been the cleanest. But if you want to see more of these kind of videos, just let me know in the comment section, right? All right, and make sure to like and subscribe. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.